In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, select Manage All. Now you can look for your app by tapping on the search bar and typing in wherever you want to. Or you can click on Most Recent and tap on one of those options. Either way, when you find your app, just tap on blue switcher next to it to block all notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can even go back. Click on one of your apps over here and tap on this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!